DAMOLA OLATUNJI proposes to new woman. Fans react with criticism. Nollywood actor DAMOLA OLATUNJI has sparked controversy after sharing a video of his proposal to a new woman on social media. The actor, known for his roles in Yoruba movies, posted the clip with the caption, "And she said yes heart," leaving fans buzzing with reactions. The video, which quickly went viral, shows DAMOLA on one knee presenting a ring to a stunning lady. While some congratulated him on his new chapter, many fans expressed disappointment and frustration, accusing him of being insensitive to his past relationship. One fan commented, "You be MUMU, you left a beautiful woman to marry this kind of woman. No sense." Another said, "After all the love and sacrifices Bukola gave you, this is how you repay her." DAMOLA's previous relationship with actress Bukola Awoyemi, the mother of his twins, ended earlier in 2023. Although the pair never officially tied the knot, their separation became public when Bukola announced it through her solicitors, citing irreconcilable differences. In response to earlier criticisms about his separation, DAMOLA had stated in interviews that relationships sometimes don't work out, emphasizing the importance of parting ways amicably instead of enduring unhappiness. The recent proposal has reignited the debate about his relationship choices, with some fans urging him to handle his personal life with more discretion to avoid public backlash. As of now, DAMOLA has not responded to the criticism, leaving fans divided over his latest decision. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you.